These 3 planes put in a lot of work on my workbench top. They are all in a very dull and sad state right now. Today it's raining out, so raining days are a perfect day to sharpen and clean up some tools. Over here we have my Tormek Super Grind 2000. It's a whetstone type grinding sharpener, specifically made, and it works perfect for sharpening blades such as these. This is the gauge you use to adjust the angle of the blade. This blade here, you hold it up against the gauge and you can see which degree it is. It's a little loose in 30, but it fits nice in 25. So that must mean that this was ground to 25 degrees, which is pretty normal, 25, 30 degrees or so. So you're gonna set this to 25. Then we're gonna come over here to the grinder itself. Double check our measurement of our wheel. We're at 9 5/8. Then there's a setting on here because as the wheel shrinks in diameter, you have to adjust this. So I have it set to 9 5/8. You're going to take your blade, slide it on, and then you're going to use this tool to gauge and make sure that your blade is sitting properly. With this back wheel sitting flat on the stone, you adjust the blade until you don't see any light underneath there. As of right now, this blade needs to be adjusted just slightly. Those adjustments can be made right here. You can just simply turn this to make some fine adjustments and then recheck. The grit of the stone can be adjusted by using this other stone. There's a coarse side and a fine side, and you use this to dress the stone. I skipped the coarse for this since these were already sharpened before, but if you have to remove a lot of metal, definitely do the coarse first and then follow up with the fine side. Right now I have it in the fine. Once the blade's nice and sharp, you want to strop it with the leather strop. After about a minute or so, you'll see you get a very shiny edge. It's very sharp. So that's how I do it. You don't have to go nuts. The angles don't matter a whole lot. Anywhere between 25, 35 degrees, you'd be just fine on this style bench plane. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next video.